Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to get prepared for a PMP examinations in 30 days. Yeah. This plan I have prepared is completely based on my self-own experience, and I have made a strict structured timelines for a study for a PMP examinations. I am Deeshith Jain and I am having a 15 years of a professional experience as a wind resource specialist. And currently I'm a member of a PMI. I'm holding more than 25 plus license and certificates from various institutions across the globe. I completed my PMP on 28 March 2026, and based on my preparations for the PMP, I have structured this video and made some systematic tasks and timelines um, to clear your PMP in 30 days. In this slide, we are going to see a few aspects of a PMI registration, 30 days PMP preparations, and some of the tasks and PMP mindsets. Currently, as you all know, or may not be, we are structured our tasks and studies based on the 7th edition, but currently there is an 8th edition as well, where the PMP is shifting its examinations mode or changing its syllabus from July 2026. The current video, whatever addresses, is completely based on the older syllabus till July 2026. Currently, we have structured 6 tasks based on my personal experiences and study. If you are able to clear this or make your structured plan for 6 tasks, you can clear the PMP very easily. The task number 1 is the UDEMY course, which is entitled for a 35 hours of a PDU after clearing your examinations. Basically, as you all know, we have to put 60 hours of our PDU, um, out of which 35 can be claimed from this UDEMY course once you complete this. This UDEMY course is a PMP certification examination preparations, 35 PDU contact hours or a PDU basically. I will provide you all these links in my description so that you can take up from there. This UDEMY course is basically from the Technical Institute of America. Our instructor is Andrew. Yeah. And this is one of the beautiful course which spans around 35 hours, which can be splitted as per your wish. But I splitted um, it like 2 hours a day, something like that, which I will be showing you in the timeline section basically. Then we have a PMBOK 7th edition tutorials, which is a video of 4 hours basically, where you can spend around zero point 0.5 hours. And in this video, you can get a PMBOK cheat sheet, which can be very much useful in your revision times. And the third task is also about explaining the PMBOK in 1 hour basically. Both the videos are same, but tasks 2 video is little bit elaborative and has given a more details about the explaining the PMBOK 7th edition book, whereas task 3 is summarized version of task 2, I can say. So once you complete the task 1, task 2, task 3, it is recommended to jump to task 4, task 5, task 6 basically. Task 4 is about the mindset. So in the PMP, we have a 3 mindset. Basically, one is a people, process, and business environment. And this particular video by the Andrew. Andrew is a person who has given the task 1 or a Udemy course. He has explained about the mindset, how to apply our mindset for each of the domains like people, process, and the business environment, basically, which gives you a fair idea about how to apply our mindset on different processes or different domains basically. Yeah. And we have a two mock test which is given in the YouTube for around 6 hours approximately, 6 to 7 hours I can say. And these are the very important mock test. And you can also get two mock tests in the Udemy course in the task one, which is also very much useful. Out of which one is a sample video and another one is an actual mock test. And if you clear that, you are entitled to get the Udemy certificate basically, which you can climb to PMI. So if you do this, then you are done. You are mastered, prepared for your PMP examinations, I can say basically. So these are the tasks which I have personally done for 30 days of my study timelines. Considering these tasks, I have prepared the task timelines, which I will also put it in the description of this video. You can take up this. I have split it the day into hours basically. Like for example, you can see the day one is 2.5 hours split it between the task one and task two. Similarly, if you can go the day ninth, the task 3 will jump in. Similarly, the task 4, task 5, task 6 will jump in from day 20 onwards, basically. So if you systematically cover this uh, task for 30 days, you will be prepared for your PMP examinations, basically. Yeah. Please remember that the syllabus is going to change by July. So please make your preparations from April or May and give the examinations before July. The very important item is an PMP mindset basically. So it's what is the mindset? So mindset is something which you are applying for a different processes like different domains like a people, process and business environment. Apart from these mindsets, there are additional other mindsets which is must necessary for um, for clearing your PMP. The first mindset is a stay focused. Okay, dedicate your time for reading and writing the contents and make your own diary every day. Once you watch your videos or take your lecture from Udemy, make sure that you are making your notes because these new notes are very much useful in the revision time basically. So I have given around 10 hours of a revision time, but you can take more than this, but I have taken around 10 hours approximately. um, all the notes whatever you are referring will be very much helpful in the revision time. Apply the project management mindset. So the mindset is very important, and the task 4 mindset is very important to clear your PMP basically, and stay focused and give your attention to the mindset basically. Okay, and if you are applying the mindset to all the questions, then you are done basically. Think like a student manager. Okay, so PMP is an examinations. Don't think just like a student or don't think just like a manager, because there are situations like the person who is having around 15-20 years of an experience has a project manager. There is a still chances he may fail the examinations. So don't just apply your mind or a professional experience in the PMP examinations. So it's just an PMP examination and not your experience as such. And important thing, the last one is ethics basically. Apply ethics to all the activities which you do and make sure you are ethically correct, professionally correct in your ethics. So that's it. I will put all the descriptions in the video, and thanks a lot for your support. Bye bye.